Welcome to Kemira's traditional results studio. We just published our Q3 results. Mikko, let's go over the highlights together.
Sure.
How would you describe the past quarter?
Well, I'd say that our solid financial performance continued during the third quarter. And if we start with our end markets, the robust demand that we've seen in the water treatment market, that continued also during the third quarter. Whereas then on the pulp and paper side, the gradual recovery that we've seen in some of the previous quarters this year, that slowed down in Q3. And we also saw some production curtailments from our customers during the quarter. Looking at our performance, we had slight organic growth in Q3. This was really driven by strong organic growth in industry and water segment. And our overall sales volumes, they grew well over 5%, whereas then our sales prices, they declined. What we were pleased with was that the profitability, that remained strong and it actually improved. So operative EBITDA margin improved to over 20% during the third quarter. And I think this illustrates the strength of our business model as well as the structurally stronger margins that we have. And looking at the remainder of the year, we've kept our outlook both for revenue and operative EBITDA unchanged.
And Kemira also announced a new operating model, and there will also be a new leadership team starting in January. Why were these changes made?
A good question, and we are now in the process of changing our operating model to better meet our profitable growth ambitions. And as a result, we're planning to move into 3 externally reported business units as of 2025. And the purpose of this change is really to improve and increase speed and agility of the organization, as well as further improve customer centricity. And looking at the new business units, so Water Solutions will be the largest new business unit at Kemira, and our ambition is to double the revenue in water. The second new business unit, the Packaging and Hygiene Solutions, this really focuses on the growing renewable solutions market in packaging and tissue, where then the Fiber Essentials, the third segment, focuses on the pulp and bleaching segment and market. And in addition, we will also change our ways of working in research and development, and we have established a new ventures and services unit to accelerate entry into new areas. And in terms of our external reporting, that will be based on these 3 new business units as of Q1 next year.
And in addition, Kemira also updated its financial long-term targets.
Sure. So as discussed, we have a strong ambition to grow profitably. And in conjunction with our capital markets at the end of September, we published new long-term financial targets. The first one, average annual organic growth of over 4%. The second one is operative EBITDA margin of between 18% and 21%. And the third one is operative return on capital employed of over 16%. And these new long-term financial targets, they reflect our ambition to grow, also to retain a solid margin profile, while at the same time remaining financially disciplined if we do organic or inorganic investments.
Thank you for the Q3 highlights, Mikko.
Thank you, Heidi.
And if you have any IR-related questions, please do not hesitate to contact Mikko or myself. And meanwhile, see you at our IR events.
Thank you.